Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to delete a course in Duolingo. So let's get started. At first, let's get into the app. So here it is. Now we can see this icon on the top left corner. Simply tap on this. We can see there are two languages here. We cannot remove the language without adding a language. So if you have not added another language, simply click on this plus sign and add another language, after which you can remove the first one. Now click on this profile icon over here, simply tap on this and click on the setting icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and we can see this option called manage courses. Simply tap on this and we can see the two options here. Choose the language you want to delete and simply click on remove. And finally click on remove. And it is done. So this is all we can do to delete a course in Duolingo. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.